today we talk about how can you enable connection restored notifications on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, you click on it here, and you just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on options, just click on it. You come to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So then you can here to connection sorry, you come here to connection restore it here, clicking this sign. That like you see this sign is gone, that's mean connection restored enable with us now. And here can you select sounds. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking